If you want to set up the private safe on OnePlus 15R, you just have to go to settings, scroll down a little bit in order to find security and privacy, and then in here we're gonna scroll down until you find the private safe. So we can go over here, and if you don't have the privacy password created, then you will have to set it up. So we can press set password in here. You can change the password type by using this text, use a different password type. So in my case, I'm just gonna set up a pattern. So enter the password that you wish to have set up. You can also choose the security question, for example, or recovery email, depending which one is more convenient for you. So in my case, I'm gonna choose a security question. I'm gonna provide any answer whatsoever. In your case, of course, it should be a proper answer in this case, because naturally you want to have the option to recover the password in case you forget it. And there we go, we have our private safe created. If you want to find the private safe, you should be able to find it, I believe, in the app drawer, although I'm not sure if it's added. No, I don't think so. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the settings again. Let's open the private safe. We can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and we can go to the settings and we can create the home screen password in here, just like that. So that's one thing that you can do. But also, we can go to the file manager, if we can find it actually. Let me try to locate it. There we go, it is called My Files. And in here, in My Files, you might be able to find the private safe if you go to Files in here at the bottom in this place. So we have a couple of ways to access the private safe. It can be through the settings, the same way that we created the private safe. You can use the My Files app, and also you can create the home screen shortcut. And that is pretty much it. Of course, you should be able to add new files quite easily. If you tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, you can also find settings where you can change the privacy password or add the home screen icon. And if you want to add something like an image or a video, then of course we have this add button at the bottom of the screen. The same goes with the audio files, documents, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.